Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and yeah, the title suggests again, we are going to the ring, and this is the first time after we did the whole rebuild thing, I guess. So it should be leak free. I did some test driving on the streets, and first I broke an axle, but then after that everything stayed dry. I didn't really break it, but it started leaking. So when you thought you fixed all the leaks and then something else pops up. But yeah, that's E36 live. So everything is fixed now. Everything is dry. The engine, the transmission, the diff. So hopefully everything stays like that. It's a weekend TF on a Sunday. So hopefully the traffic won't be too bad. But yeah, the season is coming to an end and the weather is great. And yeah, you have to take your opportunities. So let me show you inside. Pretty much everything. You can't really see it, but everything is the same. So I guess we'll just head on out to on our way. It's still pretty early, so I hope we can get some morning laps in. It's 7:15. So yeah, we're just gonna hit the road and hopefully do some morning laps. And I'm gonna see you guys at the ring. So see you guys there. So we've just entered Germany. It's still almost 2-hour drive until we get there, but the traffic is very light because it's Sunday morning, I think. So far the car is feeling very good. No problems yet, just loud, but it was already that before the rebuild. So we're just gonna continue driving to Germany, and then I'll see you guys there. So we're at the ring. We just did one lap. The traffic is a bit bad, so but that shouldn't harm the fun. So what I think I'm gonna do now is go for another lap, see how the traffic is then, and then move on. So it was a track closure, so we decided to take the cars for a drive. I haven't showed you guys Berg's GTI TCR. So it's a pure grey TCR, stage 2, pretty neat. Maybe he's gonna take us for a lap later. Is he gonna take us for a lap? Yeah, he's knocking, yeah. So later in the video we're gonna go do a lap with that one. But I heard on the Track Secure app that the track is open again. So I think, oh, there's another car coming. So I think we're gonna head out back to the track and do some more laps. The traffic was quite bad, a lot of tourists, so you couldn't really drive with a lot of pace, a lot of yellow flags. So hopefully when the track opens again, it's a little bit better. But I can't complain, the car held up perfectly. So we're just gonna go back, do more laps, and I'll see you guys there. unfortunately the track closed when we wanted to do the lap with the Golf. So that's it for today. So it's half an hour and then the track closes. So it's time to go home. It was a great day. We did 5 laps, I think. The car was working perfectly. So that's a good sign. Hopefully we'll be back soon, but I don't know. Nothing in the plans yet. So thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys liked it. I'm very happy the car is back and the way it performs. So now every issue is sorted and we can focus on mods again. So I don't know when that will happen. For now we're just gonna keep on driving until I don't know, maybe mods, maybe more driving, maybe other tracks. We'll see. So thank you guys for watching the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.